Writing Christmas cards. Okay, this first card is for my grandparents. What should I write?
Something heartfelt. Maybe a memory from last Christmas?
Good idea. Dear Grandma and Grandpa, thank you for hosting last year's dinner. Your apple pie was the highlight of the night. Can't wait to spend this Christmas with you. How's that?
Perfect. Mine's for my cousin. I'm going with something simple. Merry Christmas, Jake. Don't eat all the cookies before I get there.
Classic. Oh no, I just smudged the ink on this one. Do we have extras?
Yep, in that box. And maybe don't drink your hot chocolate while writing.
Noted. By the way, should we add stickers to the envelopes?
Definitely. These snowflake stickers are adorable. Oh, and we can seal them with these wax stamps I brought.
Wax stamps? Fancy. Let's do it. Hey, who else is on your list?
My aunt and uncle. I'm writing. Wishing you both a joyful Christmas filled with love, laughter, and way too much eggnog.
Nice. I still have to write to my best friend. Should I add a joke or keep it sweet?
A mix of both. Maybe start with a joke and end with something sentimental.
Perfect. Merry Christmas, Sarah. You're the reason my holiday shopping is always late, but I wouldn't trade our mall marathons for anything. Love you.
That's so you. Oh, did you remember to include the photo prints we made?
Yep, they're right here. I think my aunt will love hers. It's from last year's Christmas party.
Awesome. Do you want to add a recipe card too? I brought some extras from my mom's stash.
Great idea. My grandma will love it. Also, should we write a general card for the neighbors?
Definitely. Something simple, like, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From your festive neighbors.
Love it. Okay, let's finish these up and then go deliver them.
Sounds good. Oh, and we're stopping for cookies on the way. I've earned it after all this writing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.